Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you want to know how this food was prepared, please keep watching. We're making you rice and some carrot stew, and we'll be having onion, ginger, pepper, carrots and mackerel fillet. We're putting in it some curry powder, some Maggi shrimps and aroma. I like the aroma, it's quite nice. I've already said this one is the mackerel fillet and we'll have it in there. And we'll be having a chopped tomatoes as well. And a bit of salt, not too much though. We'll start with putting oil into our pan with the onions inside. We're gonna leave it frying or cooking for at least like 2-3 minutes just to get it a bit brownish. All you have to do is just keep stirring it bit by bit. After, you're gonna put on in there your cut ginger and a bit of garlic, which was already cut. Keep stirring, and the next thing to put in there is the pepper. Normally when you put the garlic in there, it gives it a nice smell after cooking. That's why I like to put the garlic in there. But as you can see, the pepper is inside. I'm gonna leave it cooking for a while. Now I put my carrot in and do the same thing all over again. Just keep stirring it up. Coming next is my aroma, just to give it a nice taste. And the curry powder coming in next. Now I'll put my Maggi shrimps in there. Continue stirring as usual. If the Maggi shrimp is a bit rocky, just mash it up a bit inside. And the next thing we'll be putting in the chopped tomatoes. Stir it up and just leave it cooking for a while. So leave it cooking for a while, but before that you can add your mackerel fillet, depending how well you want it cooked. If you want it well cooked, put it in a bit early. If not, leave it till later part. I like it well cooked, that's why I have to put it in early enough. And just keep stirring it. And behold, within less than 20 minutes, your food will be ready and ready to serve as well. So guys, that was a quick way of making the carrot stew. It's all done, ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more of this, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll send you more. Ta-ta.
Hey.
Bye.
Bye.